Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the same chapter as we were doing in the previous video. That is chapter number 2 about storage devices. So I'm just taking you back to the topics which we have covered till now. So come here. External devices, internal memory, the diagram of memory, the classification of memory. This is a chapter about the memory and storage. So this is the time to start about the external memory. And the external memory, we have already taken one part, that is about external memory. Now come to the portable devices, portable storage devices, the devices which can be removed from the place where they are fixed, or the devices which can be taken from one place to another place in a very easy manner. So portable storage devices, first of all we will talk about hard disk. Children, hard disk is fixed inside the CPU. It is the main storage medium for computers. The data is stored in this device and it is fixed inside the CPU box. For if there is any problem in the CPU or in the hard disk, it can be easily removed. So it can, listen here, it can hold a large amount of data. So for storing large amount of data, this hard disk is very beneficial. Hard disk is made up of multiple disks, which are further made up of hard platters of metal. So these disks are made with metal. These disks are made with metals. So here, see, these hard disk is actually a set of stacked disks. These disks are just pasted on the surface, and these devices are used to store the data. These metal disks are very important for the storing of data. Data is recorded on both sides of the disk. Nowadays, external hard disks are also available, which are small in size and can be carried anywhere. See, the device, the hard disk which is shown here, it is fixed inside the CPU. But now the external devices are also in market, which are very small in size and can be carried out anywhere. So there is no need of fixing them inside the CPUs. The hard disk can store up to 2 TB. TB means here terabyte. I told you in the table, to 5 TB of data. So the hard disk can store the data from 2 terabytes to 5 terabytes. So this is the memory storage, terabyte. Okay, these units I told you in the table when I told you about the memory sizes. I hope you all have read from there, and I hope you will be learning that, because that is very important table for memory units. Now come on, CD. I hope you all have seen this circular shaped device. It is called CD. CD stands for compact disc. The full form of CD is compact disc. Children, it is an optical storage device. A CD is a thin, shiny, circular disc that can store up to, this is the highest limitation, according to the memory size, the highest limitation of storing data in the CD, that is up to 700 MB. So how much can be stored here? The data, the quantity of data, the data storage capacity is till 700 megabyte and measures 4.7 inches in diameter. If you measure it as per the diameter, it is 4.7 inches. A CD can hold text. See what all things can you store in it. text, graphics means pictures, the graphic forms, sound you can store, images and videos. These all things can be stored in the CDs. Children, CDs are portable devices, can be taken from one place to another place very easily. There is no need to fix them permanently inside the CPU. See, if you want to use them, just keep the CD in the CD drive and you can play the CD. After that, you can remove it. So, to access data from a CD, we need to place it in the CD drive, which is located in the front panel of the CPU box. Clear? So, this is CD and it is written here also 700 MB. You can see. Okay, now come on. This device, it is also looking like CD, but there is some changes, some difference. There is some difference you will read here. See, the full form of DVD is digital versatile disc or digital video disc. Both are right. It is an optical storage device used for data storage and for recording movies. It is also the optical storage device used for storing data. But we can use this DVD for recording movies. And here we were using the CD for storing the images, sound, graphics, text and videos with high video and sound quality. See here, the sound quality will be better, though a DVD is similar to a CD in shape and size. But what is difference here? What is different here? But it can store data 6 times more than a CD. So the storage capacity is the main difference between CD and DVD. It can store more and more data than the CD, 6 times more. The storage capacity varies from here. What was the highest capacity, highest level of capacity? 700 MB. Here 4.1 gigabyte to 17 gigabyte. So this unit is more than MB. So it can store more 6 times more data than the CD. So this is the difference between the CD and the DVD. Now come on. Blu-ray disc. It is also looking like the CD. So, but difference is here. You have to just keep this difference in mind about regarding CD and DVD. And here Blu-ray disc, CD and DVD. These three are similar as per their visibility but different with the storage capacity. It is a new optical disc format that can store. See, the capacity of storing data is more than DVD, 25 gigabyte. And the storage capacity, the highest storage capacity was 17 gigabyte in DVD. But here 25 gigabyte. So you can see the memory unit is higher than the DVD. On its single side, okay, single side 25 gigabyte, and if you talk about double side, both the sides, 50 gigabyte on its dual sides. So you can see the storage capacity is highest in Blu-ray disc in comparison of CD and DVD. Its storage capacity is 5 times more than a DVD. The size of Blu-ray disc is similar to a DVD and CD. It is mainly used for storing high quality sound, games and movie data. The disc has derived its name Blu-ray disc from the blue-violet laser. So the name has come from blue-violet laser that is used to read and write data on it. So this is a term that is used to read and write data on it, and the name is also derived from that same content, same term, that is blue-violet laser. So these were the portable storage devices Children, I am giving you one work that you are to write CD, DVD and Blu-ray disc. Then down you are to write what can they store. Okay. And after that you are to write the storage capacity as per the memory unit in all three devices. So this is very, very important point which you are to keep in mind, that what is the difference between CD and DVD and what is the difference between DVD and Blu-ray disc. Okay, so these all are same as per the visibility but different as per the storage capacity. Now come on the flash drive. It is popularly known as, children, in these days it is very, very common device, pen drive. Everybody is familiar with this pen drive or flash drive. Pen drive and flash drive both are same. Here this is the new concept for you, that pen drive is also known as flash drive. You can use the term flash drive on place of pen drive too. So because they both are same. And the most popular data backup device, you can store the data in it. Okay, and very small in size, can be taken from one place to another place in a pocket very easily. It is a plug and play device. You just insert them in the USB port. You can remove them after doing the work, after storing the data or after copying the data, and can be connected to the USB port. What is the full form of USB? Universal Serial Bus. Universal Serial Bus. This is the placement where the pen drive is inserted. It is a small, lightweight, removable drive. It is used for copying, moving data from one computer to another computer. Okay, so a flash drive, flash disk can store up to, see the capacity, storage capacity is up to 1 terabyte of the data, and is further planned to have its capacity up to 2 terabyte. But see, there are different sizes of pen drive as per the storing of data. It depends on the user that which storage capacity, that how much storage capacity the user want. So as per the need of storage capacity, the user can purchase the pen drive. So it's up to the user's need. Flash drives are faster in accessing data and are more reliable. So it's true. It is very easy to use. It is very easy to insert, and it is very, very important device to store data. I hope this is clear to you all. See the picture also. Have a look. These are flash drives. Now come on, memory card. This memory card, you can see here, it can be attached with this mobile also, and the data can be copied also, and the data can be taken from the mobile also in the memory card. So memory card is a storage medium for portable devices like mobiles, digital cameras and music players. It can be easily removed for access by a computer. These devices transfer images. See what all can be transferred through this? Images, music files from one computer into a computer by using the memory card reader. Children, it can be connected to a computer through a USB cable. You can see here USB cable. So it can be connected with this cable. And nowadays most of the laptops come with inbuilt card reader port. So when the laptops are purchased, these cables are coming with the laptops. Okay, these are card reader. See, these are inbuilt card reader port which are coming with the laptops when we purchase them. So these are the card readers which can access by a computer. Okay, and they can store. This is a storage medium that can be inserted in the mobiles to take the data or to copy the data. So these all portable devices I have told